Over the last few days, we've built the robotic arm, connected it with ROS2, and added AI control logic. But today, something special happened. DvaitAI finally got a face. I designed a Tkinter-based dashboard that lets me control the robotic arm with a simple, intuitive interface. It connects directly with ROS2 topics. So when I click a button like Move Up, Pick, or Drop, the command is instantly published to the robot. And the status updates appear here on the screen in real time. This small interface represents a huge shift. From lines of code to visible intelligence. Now I can literally see what my system thinks and feel how it responds. This dashboard is the bridge between mind and machine. Between logic and experience. In the next video, I'll enable AI mode, where the arm will start making its own decisions based on patterns and data. Moving closer to autonomy. Every day, DvaitAI is learning, adapting, and becoming more intelligent. Motivation of the day. When intelligence becomes visible, it becomes usable. But when intelligence becomes emotional, it becomes unstoppable. Thanks for watching. This is DvaitAI, where intelligence meets duality.